Let me show you how to launch DeX and also how to use DeX on any of these Samsung S10 series tablets. So if you have a newest Android version updated, the DeX is actually completely different than it used to be past year. So if you still haven't updated, if you go in your settings, connected devices, you should see your DeX somewhere over here. But you see it's not anymore over here. So to launch a DeX, there are two different ways. First, you can simply, for example, open any app, for example, let's say a browser, and you see you have this new line over here. So if you simply swipe it down, that essentially enters the DeX mode, so the desktop mode. And also you see you can easily snap here. So, and yeah, if you want basically connect a monitor to it, so again, it's very easy. So you simply plug it in the Type-C using adapter, connect to your TV, and again, it's instantly mirrored basically once you have it in this mode. Also in this DeX mode, so you see, for example, if you click these three lines here, you can also create like multiple desktops here. So you see, for example, I have desktop number 1 here and desktop number 2, essentially, that I can close and also switch between. So yeah, see, if I want to add another desktop, so where I, for example, have different things, different windows, yeah, as you see, and then I see desktop 1 and desktop 2 over here. Also, yeah, for example, let's make this full screen over here, and you see it's pure desktop mode without the taskbar on the bottom. And yeah, obviously, yeah, once you connect it to a monitor, again, simply it gets mirrored, or yeah, okay. And also, if at any time you want to exit this DeX mode, you can simply swipe down and you see you have this icon here. So if you click this, that essentially exits the DeX mode on these tablets. So yeah, you kind of have to actually get used to this new style, because yeah, it was completely different essentially the past year. Basically, I think with the S10 Ultra release, so when that tablet was released, it still had the old one. But yeah, I think the FE, so this FE I got basically already came with this new DeX. But again, so the older ones, yeah, you might have experienced it indifferently. Okay, good luck.